Just going to test the strength in your arms now. So if you can just lift your arms up like this and just keep them up. Good. And keep them up. Good. And just relax them down slightly. And don't let me pull them up. Good. Don't let me pull them up. Good. Arms up like this in front of you. And just keep them there. Good. And keep them there. Good. And push out against me. Good. And push out against me. Good. Arms up in front of you, and just cock your wrist back, and just keep them there. Good. And just bend them forward. Don't let me lift them. Good. Great. If you can put your fingers out straight in front of you, and just keep them up. Good. And keep them up. Good. And spread your fingers for me, and just keep this finger out. Good. And the same on the other side. And just keep this finger out. Good. And spread your fingers again. And just keep this finger out. Good. And keep this finger out. Good. And turn your hands over. Put your thumbs up for me. And just keep them up. Good. And keep them up. Good. And just relax.
If you liked this video, you'll love our textbook. The Geeky Medics Clinical Examination Guide summarises all the key examination skills for your practical exams. Buy now at geekymedics.com.